chilling in the seat already.
I generally wait till I'm the last one because generally I wait to make sure that one guy isn't gonna just like desync, quit. Oh, there is a third person here. Shankar? He's looking a little light. So I'm wondering if he's a new guy too.
Just a heads up, forgive me, but I'm also in a Discord, so if I start talking, I'm not seeming like I'm making any sense. It's because I'm not talking to you guys.
Yeah, that's fine. I know this has an issue with the no push to talk.
Yeah. No, sir. People in my group know that I also.
Yep.
Woo! Oh yeah, I can hear you. You are stereo.
Okay, so you know what you're doing. Okay, so it's out.
That's just
Capture. Okay. Yep. So it's a hard capture mission. No explosives, power yep. No explosives, power activated, pay healing and ammo. Yep.
Yep.
Depending on which one it is. That's usually, you know. I also find that, like, if it's the jellyfish, or find out if it's the jellyfish. Yep, the flame doesn't really matter.
Quite.
Yeah.
As long as it's not the ghost, I'll be happy. Okay.
The ghost is pretty simple.
He killed me when I wasn't even looking at him.
Yeah.
Opening door.
Body on the floor. What do we got?
Door's open over here.
At least we have power.
I'm very still in this. Well, we don't have to worry about Paris because we're all here. Money.
He's here. It's right here.
Hey, how's it going?
Spike?
Yeah. I want to shoot it.
It's not gonna do anything.
It's got a shield. You need to hit the laser.
Aww.
You also got to be in line of sight of the robot. It doesn't matter if you see each other. He has to see two people.
Alright.
Okay, here's the third one. We didn't get the respawn. Nope. Alright.
Ah, that's better. Now I don't have to worry about that.
1 and 2. 2 and 3.
I got you back.
We can all go there. We have class 2 weapons. Technically, it's capture, so this is the easiest one to capture. So all we really need is the laser. Because once you laser beam him and he goes into his drop down before he turns into Spider, that's long enough to capture him in the specimen containment. You can't, because you can't penetrate the shield. You can?
Cannot.
Open it. Yeah.
I mean, I suppose you might be able to cryo bomb his ass. You don't even need to go to machinery.
No.
Laser.
Zappy zap.
Yeah, because we're picking up
Standing by.
background sound with you.
Ah, well, I'm gonna go start harvesting. I'll survive
following you,
because I know how to
Simba.
outrun the beach. Ah, that is
He
fun.
comes back just to the robot drilling his head.
Yep.
Worker.
Pretty certain this is crew.
We're a worker.
Rup. Just remember, you can press tab and you'll see everybody. Okay, there's.
Yeah.
How do you do? Wait, I haven't done the.
Got the SMG. Okay, we got worker.
We have.
Worker's done.
When you do it solo,
4,
do you
5.
end up with just other people, or I mean, not other people, with the AI? I haven't done
Uh-oh,
solo
Ball's
on this.
here.
Single.
Okay, so how the hell do you do it with this guy if he kills you if you're alone?
Yeah. You can also hide behind a door.
Got it.
Alright, we just need 4 passes. He's teabagging
You
you.
don't want it?
Well, if you look, you don't have to go back in.
Please let
What
there
I'm
be
saying
something
is,
in the armory.
yeah, just check the armory. You got it. We never checked the cafeteria either.
Alright, either way.
We
Either
should have
way,
shut the
run.
shutters.
I
He
get
gets
nowhere near.
goopy.
Nothing.
So we have to capture this one, right? It's not that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's why we just need the laser. Do you ever actually see anything
Shotgun,
spawn
set.
in the freezer?
Yeah, money. Currently.
Zombies.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got you.
Right behind ya. Al. Yeah, come on.
Same with the cafeteria.
Next room. He's going away. He's gone.
Well, he'll be back because we're doubling down towards you. Did you check the other section?
Is that correct?
Okay, this one. Go.
Yeah.
So we need 4 key cards.
Alright.
I'll take the creds.
That's what I laughed at one time we were searching for
Oh, here comes. No.
He was ready to really get friendly with you for a second.
Yep.
He was really getting ready to show you his stem and everything. If you aim down at him, he
He's
just
just
sort of goes goofy. I believe so.
Yeah.
You thought we were boring?
Speedy Gonzalez has entered the vents.
Then we'll
Nothing.
go.
Oh. Why, thank you. It's mostly a reference to my Empyrean game. Back when I was playing, my character was completely green armor, blue body for an alien look. Galactic Survival Evolved.
Yeah, Galactic Survival Evolved, yeah.
I thought you were
that game
just
was
still on the
fun.
holidays.
Bah! Oh, well, I
Don't
still
drop
got
some
something
power.
else.
So then you're able to see other room.
Uh-oh.
Oh, you got it. So one of you went to 2, one of you went to 1.
Yeah, the bot's with me in room 1. Could somebody jump down here?
He's over here.
Oh, thank God.
Yeah, so come on.
Unlocking. Oh, thank God. Fucker.
Come on, buddy. Follow
Bang,
us.
bang, bang.
Oh, yeah. It does do a lot of damage to him.
Well, it's more the stun effect. It's worth it. Okay, who just stopped talking?
I don't know.
He just ran off.
Oh, good. Sprint like he owes you money.
Thank God I just got thunder.
So, was it A or B?
He's close. He's gone away. Oh, that's
That was
turn.
this was too much.
Following green. Following you, Ron.
Yep. Leave us
Checking.
upstairs.
Oh. Out of stamina.
Do we really want the flame?
What do you
I'll
got
take
the
it
pistol?
if we really want it,
That's
but
heavy.
a fire flame does not do shit for this guy. Yeah, I guess you're right.
Kind of running out of stamina.
He's
May
blocking.
as well clicked. Oh, good. Alright. So I take it we're going the direct route?
Yeah.
And he's in the...
Yeah, because core control
Oh,
is
sweet.
direct.
Perfect. Bang.
My God. Yep, he's on you.
Oh, okay, I caught that just the last second.
It's okay. Hey, he's blocking me. Trying to stop me from going through the door.
Anything in here?
No.
Empty. Okay.
Well, it's more like he's on Simpad.
Uh-oh. Better shoot him to scare him off. Wait, actually, where is he?
Need stamina.
Oh, no.
It's just
No.
timing.
Right here.
Whack. Oh,
Shall we dance? Ah! He's not letting me go! You little bastard. He really likes to stop us from,
He left. You gotta shoot him.
Yeah.
Oh. Got SMG. He's coming, he's coming. He's coming. Corridor. Corridor.
already here.
Oh, I'm stuck on the door.
I got you as long as you got me.
Get up.
You ran off.
Get back here.
He's here.
Somebody else take that.
Gonna give him a minute. He's coming.
Oh, there he is.
Be aware, I do believe that if you miss even a little bit on that laser at the first charge, he will close the distance and kill you.
Ooh, flamethrower. We're gonna roast some Xenos.
Get out.
That was funny. Oh, look at his little angry face. His little angry eyeball. With a freaking probe.
There, I drew a dick pic on the window. Yep.
Eh.
That was nice. All right. It was actually. I'm.
I think the fastest I got on those 13.
Hello, cat. Yes, I'm monster. I love you too. Yes.
Especially given the fact that it was hard. Okay, yep. So Shankar is the one with the rechargeable headset, correct?
I believe so.
And I'm gonna murder the person who threw that fucking assault, that flamethrower right there. That beeping is so annoying.
Oh, don't worry, it'll be gone in like 30 seconds.
Oh god.
Okay, yeah. So
The squeak toy just goes flying.
Shankara, your mic when you go to run it lets in a whole bunch of background noise. I didn't know whose mic was doing it, but now since you shut yours off, it went away. It's like picking up a fan or something.
Yeah.
On to the next contract.
So when you can select the contract, doesn't matter to me. Yep.
Oh, that's good.
See ya.
Yep. Yeah. See ya.
Bye bye.